Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to redeem a Steam wallet code online on your Steam account. And now let's dive right in. Now to redeem a Steam wallet code on Steam, first open up your account either on the Steam gaming software on the PC, or you can go from the browser. But I'll be continuing with the gaming software, guys. Or you can do the same process from the browser. Go to the home page of Steam, log into your account, and you'll be over here. As you can see, I'm on the store or the feature section of the store on my Steam account. Now, in order to redeem a code or the Steam wallet code, you can see there are a bunch of options available for us at the top left corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering right now, where it says Steam, View, Friends, Game, and Help. So in order to redeem a Steam wallet code, let's click on the games, and there is the redeem a Steam wallet code option available for us. Click on that where it says redeem a Steam wallet code. And over here, guys, you can see you'll be able to enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. So with that being said, guys, enter your Steam wallet code over here, whichever may be, but don't show it to anybody else, guys. And this is just for a demo purpose. This is not it. And after entering your Steam wallet code, simply click on the continue button available over here, and then the net amount of that wallet code will be available on your account either through game or the funds. And with that being said, guys, this is how you redeem a Steam wallet code on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.